Okay, so here's what you do. First of all, you want to obviously grab some details from Right Price Caravans. So you go to Right Price Caravans, choose a caravan that you want to put the details in. Grab the photos. I mean, I don't know why they've done such small photos, but there you go. So grab the photos there, grab the text. Then once you've logged into the system, if you go to Modules, Web Apps, and then AdWiz, and then on the right hand side you'll see Create a New Web App Item. Click on that and fill in the details. So the first thing you want to do is put the item name in, so whatever that is. So let's say for instance it's this one. We can grab that, paste that in, leave everything else can stay the same. Give it a summary, so we'll say, I don't know, grab a bit of text there, or write whatever you like in. Put that in there, choose what it is, static, choose the make, so this is Pemberton, ABCDFG, Pemberton, Elite 2002, 2002, length 35, width 12, so on and so forth, colour, and then to upload the image you click on the an image tab, select customer images, and then click on the upload file, and you can upload. If you click this add, it will add upload fields there. Select the images off your hard drive that you want to update, so let's select one, and then you click upload, and then it would appear here. You might want to be in thumbnail view here so that you can view the thumbnails and you can add them. So add your videos. Say no to video because it's not got video. Put the selling price in, just put numbers in, so no commas or anything. So if this was going for 17,000, I'd just put 17,000. I wouldn't put 17,000 with a comma in it, just numbers, because the search, when it does a price search, searches on numbers only. Put the customer's contact details and the owner email address. If you don't have that, of course you'll just have to use Right Price Caravans. And then copy any text. Oh, here you go. On this one here, the owner's actually got their details there, so if I just copy and paste that text in, and that's their telephone number, paste that in, and email address, paste that in. With this text here, you can see it's got quite a lot of stuff wrapped around it, so better than doing that, let's just make sure everything's gone. If you go back to the text here, I'm going to select all the text that I want to go in there. Okay, just select all of this. Okay, and then when you want to paste in here, this little icon here next to the word one, if you say paste as plain text, when that opens up, if you paste the content into there and then click paste, it'll put it all in without any information. So I'll click save. Oh. Colour. No. Video. Let's put no, I haven't uploaded any images, so I'm just going to select some default ones that I've got in here. and then lastly we've got to classify this item. So running down the action box here, you'll see just here it says classify this item. So if we classify that, we're going to add it to Right Price Caravans, and if we want it to be on the home page as well, we can add it as a feature, and then we'll click close, we'll click save, and then if we go to the front page here now and hit refresh, we can see there's that caravan that we've added in. If we go through to it, we've got all of the details there, and if I click on there, there's the seller's contact details as well. Okay, so that's all the basic details added in. Now lastly, we need to put where this item is located. So if you click here, on this one here, if I click here, at the moment it's got, I don't know why it's got my details in, but you want to put this where it is. So it's on Murrowhead Holiday Village. So if you haven't got the details, you'll have to run a search on them. So here we go. We've got this is it, Burrowhead. I think this is the right one. There you go, Scotland. So if I clicked, we've got their postcode there. So I had in the original one, it didn't have this. So I'm going to put this in. Their address. It's quite a lot to do, but obviously, you know, if a customer is doing this, they'd be doing this themselves in their own time. So, if you don't do this, then the search won't work, because obviously this is searching based on location as well as price, so you obviously need the location as well. So, Stuart, Dumfries Gallery, Dumfries Gallery. So I've put that in there now. And hit save. Now, if I go to Right Price Caravans and I go to the home page and I click on static and run a search, that static caravan comes up. If I run a search on that particular postcode, well, let's run it on my own postcode first, SA714EX. None, fine, because there's no caravans within that radius at the moment. So if I put in the correct postcode here and search within 5 miles of that, there I've got it, and that's why it's so important to put that information in. Okay, so yeah, that's how all of that works. If you need to modify anything, then if you go back to Web Apps and AdWords, you'll see any of the caravans that you've put in there. I'm going to actually click on it and modify its title. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put 15123 and then click save. And we should see in there now. It's better. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's how that works. Have fun.